First, George had to figure out exactly where that noise came from. Except it seemed to come from every direction. Hundley didn't feel dignified, but he didn't feel scared either. Okay, the one thing George knew about sound was the closer he got to something, the louder it was. But how could George get close to the creepy noise without getting close to the creepy noise? George was right. You should save everything because you never know when you might need it. To help pinpoint the noise, George divided the basement into 4 sections. He recorded the creepy noise in each of the 4 sections. George played the recording and listened closely. Now they knew the noise was coming from the part of the basement near the boxes. They'd found it.
Oh my! What a creepy noise!
Yeah, I guess we should go down and take a look.
After you!
No, after you.
Hundley had enough. He was tired of being afraid.
This is a cow.
Cow.
Yeah, Moo. Aw, Hundley must be the bravest dog in the city.
Well, let's get the rest of those boxes down here. Haven't you learned noises are nothing to be afraid of? Don't you? Maybe we should keep your stuff upstairs, George. You never know when we might need it. Help! Attention! Attention! Help!